again. It's a little bit warmer out today, but this is a project that I really wanted to get done and I wanted to share with you guys. It was really easy to do. I pretty much decided I was going to make a faux brick pattern on my tall wing standards, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. Hi again, it's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome. So like I said in the beginning of this video, today is going to be all about the painting. And I'm going to show you how to faux paint bricks onto whatever you want. It could be a wall, it could be a standard, anything you want. I just happen to have a blank canvas of a wing standard. So how about we get started? So the first thing I want to do is tape off the wing standards, and I've already primer painted these standards with my Kills 2 primer. And then what I'm doing is taping off lines right across the front of the standard. So when I'm taping these off, I'm just eyeballing it. If you're more of a perfectionist, you could take a tape measure and measure off the lines to make sure that every section is exactly 4 inches or 5 inches tall, however you want it to be. But for me, I wasn't really that worried about it, and so I just eyeballed it. So after I did one, I had the other wing standard right next to it so I could keep the lines somewhat similar. And then I just taped those off. And what this tape is going to do is that's going to provide the mortar look for the bricks. And then I just had to section off where I wanted the bricks to go. I wanted them to kind of be offset, so I just randomly took little pieces of tape and made bricks. And once my taping was done, then I found some gray paint because I want my bricks to be pretty much gray. And I just did a coat of gray paint on the standards. And this is where the tape comes into play because underneath that tape, it will still be white. So the main color of the bricks will be gray, but the mortar section will be white. And after the gray paint was dry, then it was time to add some different kinds of texture to the bricks. So I had some of this stone texture spray paint, and I just spray painted it onto the standards. No rhyme or reason, just random little sprays of paint on both of the standards. And then once that was done, I wanted to add some more texture. So I took some Rust-Oleum black paint and just kind of painted lightly on the standards. And I tried to keep some of the lines like where the bricks are going to be, so it'll add some different shadows and make it just have a little bit more depth. And like I said, there's no right or wrong way to do this. You can do this however you want. I was just kind of playing around to see what would happen. And then I found some other spray paint, and this was a metallic spray paint, and just randomly sprayed some lines on the standards. And it does kind of look like a hot mess right now, but I promise in about 2 seconds you're going to see it looks a lot better. Because this is when I was taking the tape off so you could really see the brick pattern much better on the standards. Isn't that awesome? These turned out so cool, and they were so much fun to make. It looks like a brick wall. Now I have a pair of brick walls or standards or whatever you want to do. This is so much fun, and I highly encourage you to get creative and paint some faux patterns on your wing standards. I think you'll be really happy and very proud of yourself when you're done. So that's it. That is how you can make some really cool different types of wing standards for your horse jumps. And like I showed you in the last video that I made of making these wing standards, I did it using stuff that was pretty much remnants and I wasn't going to be using, so I wanted to find something to put it to good use. I think this is putting that wood to good use. What do you think? I am really proud of how these turned out, and I can't wait to show you guys the gate that I'm going to make for this, along with, I might even make a brick wall because I have plenty of paint and I really like how this turned out, and having a brick wall would be really cool. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. Just click on my picture. At the end of this video, you can subscribe to my channel and watch all my other videos. Again, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, stay passionate and enjoy your ride. These are cool.